Press in near the glove compartment stoppers. Right side stopper. Left side stopper. Remove glove compartment and set out of the way. Remove cabin air filter housing. Separate filter from filter housing. Note the difference. Install new cabin filter into filter housing. This flat spot around the filter goes clamped under here. Firmly clamp around filter to housing. Make sure filter surface is flat with the housing. Reinstall the filter housing with new filter. Carefully reinstall the glove compartment. Make sure the glove compartment hinge is installed here. Then press near the stoppers and push glove compartment closed. Remember to verify that the glove compartment is hinged.